Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable the always on display feature on your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. This feature lets you see the time, widgets and notifications even when your screen is locked. But you can easily turn it off if you prefer a completely black screen. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness option. Next, scroll down and tap on Always On Display. This is where you will find all the settings. To enable or disable it, simply toggle the switch next to the Always On Display option. When it's on, your iPhone screen will stay dimly lit, showing the time, widgets and wallpaper. When it's off, your screen will go completely dark when locked. You can customize what appears on the Always On display. For example, here you can configure if you want to show the wallpaper or not, add a blur to the wallpaper, or show notifications. These options help you save battery and keep your screen less distracting. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn always on display on or off on your iPhone 17. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.